Hello, today at Bob's Watches we are introducing a pre-owned Rolex Yacht-Master 116681. This watch contains a random serial number that was produced around 2011 or later. The characteristics include an Oystersteel and 18-karat Everose gold Oyster bracelet with an Oysterlock clasp. The dial is a white Arabic dial with luminescent hands and hour markers. This watch contains a 31 jewel quickset function, a scratch-resistant sapphire crystal, a waterproof screw-down crown, and an inner reflector ring engraved with the serial number. The case is 44mm Oystersteel with an 18-karat Everose gold case with a 90-degree rotatable bezel, and contains an automatic 4-1-6-1 movement. This Yacht-Master comes with the Bob's presentation box, and we offer a certificate of authenticity, as well as a warranty card. As all watches we sell, this watch comes with a 3-day satisfaction guarantee and a 1-year warranty. You can purchase this watch by clicking the box in this video, or by searching for Bob's Watches 116681 in Google. And as always, be sure to like and subscribe for more future videos.